velocimetry. PIV, this is acronym of this method, and the idea of this method is the use of laser light to showing the movement of the particle in the measurement area. Particle, because we have to add some particle to the flow, because only the movement of this particle we can catch by the camera. What kind of the particle it is? For the water, for the liquid, we used mineral particle, typical like, for example, titanium dioxide or some plastic particle. For example, plexi is very, very good. However, the dimension of the particle are very, very small. For example, something like 0.5 micrometer. So this is extremely slow dimensions, and only with the use of specially optics we can registration, and we can catch this movement, this particle in the picture. What is the idea of the measurement? If we have okay, because I said about fluid seeding particles, and also we have liquid. I said about liquid seeding particles. But we have also the particles for gases. And today we have a situation when we will prepare the measurement with the gases. And for gases, the best particle is a small droplet of the liquid. And this small droplet we can see on the picture, which is made with the use of CCD camera. So if we have the small droplet of the liquid of the oil, example, right now, in one picture, and we know the time between these two pictures, this time is very, very small, is for example 1,000 part of the seconds, and we prepare two picture in this small time, we can see the very small displacement of the picture. Here you have the position of the seeding particle at first picture. This is, for example, this position, and after some time, when we have movement of the liquid, movement of the gas, the particle is moving, and this distance we can measure. If we measure this distance, we can calculate the velocity, because we have moving in one direction and moving in second direction, and some totally velocity we can calculate. And if we have a lot of this vector of the velocity, we have a lot of the vector here, we can calculate the velocity field in huge area. And this is the idea of PIV methods. Maybe right now I play the movie. However, I have problem with the sound with this movie, so I say something simultaneously. Please wait.
Oto typowe stanowisko do badań procesu zdaniem techniki PIP.
Okay, so this is typical experimental stand for PIV research. There we have the camera. There we have the laser, power supply of the laser, and the object for measurement. In our case, we make some measurement. We make some measurement with heat exchanger. This is typical heat exchanger on for gases solution. And this is very huge problem with this movie. So maybe I select only typical images. So I find something.